Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy this content. Only 3 trades today. Ended up positive almost 2%. So that's a plus. I did take out $1,000 out of my account yesterday. So, 2%'s less money today. But I go off percentages. So, I had a 2%, almost 2% gain. And I just figured, unless I see something epic, I'm going to chill. So that's what I did. Although I watched charts all day, but I didn't really see anything that got me in. So first trade, Tesla. Now as you can see, Tesla's bear flagging under VWAP. And for some reason, I wanted to take this long. And I thought it was going to trap, but I should have, if that was the case, I should have waited till it trapped some bears and then squeezed up over VWAP. But I didn't do that, so here we go. I'm grabbing a 660 call as it breaks. So we have a little pop pullback candle over candle, but it was starting to fail. I get in, and I just get right out. So I see it looks like it's bear flagging, and a lot of times it'll do this and then it'll trap and squeeze. But I had no reason to get into that trade. So I was down $45, 0.84%. And I wasn't feeling great about that, but it's trading. I made a mistake. I need to regain my composure and on to the next. So next trade, Amazon. We see Amazon sort of doing this little M pattern, but if this candle can break above this descending trend line here, then I like it for a pop to the upside. Sort of a W pattern here, ABCD pattern, but get into it. So I'm going to grab a 3,800 call since I only have about, $300 to start the day. And then I had, about 4,000 or so to spend. I didn't want to spend a lot on a contract. So I got a 3,800 call for $1,860. I'm in one there. And I got out, I threw an order out at the mid price. So it was a quick trade, 15 seconds, and I made $120. So minus commissions. So I bought on the ask, and then I sold at mid price. So that was that. I possibly sold on the ask. I can't remember. For some reason, I'm thinking I sold at mid. I know I didn't sell bid. I'm pretty sure it was a mid price order. But anyways, final trade. Tesla. So Tesla, I'm going to play a 660 call again. And see, so we have this descending trend line. And what's really unfortunate about Tesla today is I called the bottom to myself. So I'm in one 660 call at the break of this trend line, descending trend line. And getting the move. Threw an order out on the ask, 815, I got filled. Quick little pop. Made my little 33 bucks. So minus commissions. And that was it. That's all I saw. But I did call Tesla. It was oversold enough, and I just thought, okay, I told myself this is the bottom. It's got to be the bottom. And then that was the low of the day. So I really let myself down because I saw that was the low. I mean, I'm trying to look right now. Did it go any lower? That was low, and it kind of consolidated in sort of a bear pennant. But it did from that low, 638, up to 611 points. So that would have been nice. Just my account's small right now. I'm not trying to take risks like that. I mean, I would, given opportunity and the right mindset, but I didn't capitalize on it. So it is what it is. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I hope we get some good setups this rest of the week. Have a nice day. I appreciate you watching. Goodbye.